Hey, this is Donnie out in Rogue River, Oregon, and for sale is my 1972 International Travelette. It's a 1210 truck. It's a 4x4, short bed, step side. I gotta tell you, it seems like a pretty rare truck because I can't find one online anywhere in any condition. So there can't be too many short bed step sides out there. But anyway, this is an all original truck. It's lived its whole life in Southern Oregon. 3 registered owners. That would include the original owner, his son, and then a farm girl who bought it off of him. I've acquired it, but I don't need it. I have some Ford crew cabs that I like. But this one is just, if one of my Fords was this original, it would just be awesome. But this thing is just stock bone except for the tires and wheels, and the seats have been reupholstered. But the body is just really phenomenal. It's a beautiful truck. I'll just do a quick walk around. You'll notice that all the panels are straight. All the lines are even. The grill is not dented. Bumper straight. This is the worst part of it right here. This is the only ding in the truck. Very fixable. Second ding right here. Again, very minor. There's no rust through on this truck anywhere. It's solid. Tailgate's in premium shape. Very straight. Look at that. And the lines where it butts up in the bed. Jeez. Just a nicely used truck, but that's a character. Again, straight. Tires are near new. Plenty of tread on those. Some nice aluminum wheels. It's got these cool hooks for the tailgate. Tailgate drops down without issue. Cab roof straight, no dents, no gutters or no rust in the rails. Solid. No rust around the windows. Solid. Original mirrors. Beautiful shape. No rust around the window. Need some wiper blades. I think you can handle that. .1210 all-wheel drive. Got the hubs. Show you the inside. It's this beautiful red color. All the seat belts are there, good condition and work. Got a rope you can tie off your cow if you want to. Does need a headliner. And it needs a dash pad. Missing this piece here. Seen them online, you can get them. There's no AC. It's a 4-speed. I got 3 of the original hubcaps. Missing one. Dang it. There's an electric fuel pump, and that's the switch for it right there. That's the emergency flashers. Currently the alternator gauge works and the speedometer and the mileage, but the others aren't working right now, so they'll need to be fiddled with. Telling you, it's a nice one. You just use it for a daily driver or fix it up. Either way, she's a beauty. Pop around to the other side. Original doors, all in good shape. Everything just looks good. You got your sill plates here. They just need a little cleaning and reinstalled. They're not damaged. Now, the only bummer about this door panel is somebody installed a speaker at one time. Would have been nice if we would have left it in, I guess. So you can either put a speaker back in there or replace the panel or repair it. But it is what it is. Truck could stand to use probably one more good cleaning. I spent a lot of time cleaning it to get to this point, but I could probably use a little bit more. All the windows roll up and down. All the doors shut and open as they should. Alright, so this is the engine compartment. Under the hood, nice and straight, no dents. As far as I know, this is the original engine. I have not identified it. I'm assuming it's a 345, but I don't know for sure. The owner, previous woman, didn't really know anything about it, and her husband had passed away, so I didn't get too much information there. But she runs really good. There is a slight exhaust leak on the passenger side. But other than that, I mean, I wouldn't hesitate to take it on a nice long drive. I rebuilt the carb. It's a 2-barrel Holley. Electronic fuel pump. And a switch. Working good. Brand new battery. 700 cold cranking amps. Yeah, she's just looking good. Okay, we'll start it up. It's a little bit cold, so probably have to let it idle for a couple of minutes. Almost there. Alright, we're warmed up, idling. Just purring along. Here's the exhaust leak over here. No smoke out the pipes. Okay, we'll gonna take some videos under the truck so you can hopefully get a good idea of what your underneath's gonna look like. Let's see what we can do here. Looking good there. Wheel well. No damage, no rust. Underneath, it's got two dual gas tanks. This is the passenger side. Over there is the driver's side. You can also see the fuel pump and switch mounted in the frame. Again, no rust through underneath here anywhere that I could find. No spare tire. Doggone it. I imagine she's ready for some shocks. Oh, that's not rust through. Those are holes that were put in there for a purpose. Driver's side wheel well. Not dented, not damaged, actually coated, looking good. You know, so often you get these old trucks and they're just rusted underneath or just in really poor shape, but man, this thing has just been used, but gently used. Again, could use a good cleaning. And this is the driver's side front wheel well. No damage, no rust, just aged. Alrighty, so that covers the walk around. Next we'll do a drive so you can see how she goes down the road. Alright, let's take it for a drive. Put on my seatbelt for safety. Down my window because it works. Just warm her up for a minute or two. Show you granny gear here. First gear. Low gear. have to wait a minute or two for the gate to open up. Still warming up. Clear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Doing about 60 right now. Cruises right along. Go 40 here. Woo! Fire danger's high. Come out there. Just drives beautifully. Not been fighting, cruising real long. Alright, set her down. Let's get some speed. Set up some gas. Six right there. I can do more. That. There's that more. Driving demo.